Hey there, dragon artists. Today, we're drawing the cutest night fury ever, Baby Toothless. Ready your markers and colors, because this jet black dragon is about to leap off your page. First, let's sketch Toothless's face. Make it a big, friendly circle, a tad wider one. Then two teardrop-shaped eyes pointing toward the nose. Those are his curious, cat-like peepers. Inside each eye, draw a smaller oval at top shape, then a teeny circle for that magical gleam. We'll color those bright green later, so they'll sparkle like emeralds in the night. Next, give him a sweet, toothless grin, no scary fangs here. Pop in a little tongue sticking out for extra cuteness. Time for his head scales. Use gentle curves to draw big, smooth plates, then two smaller scales right in the center. Remember, night furies don't do spikes. Let's build his body. Draw a sleek neck, then chunky front legs. Now tuck in those strong hind legs. Let's draw two wings spread wide for soaring, shaped like giant bat wings. Don't forget sharp claws on all 4 feet. Time for the tail. Draw it long and curvy, but on the left side, he's got a cool red mechanical fin. That's his special prosthetic from the first movie. Dot tiny scales across his forehead and draw his ear like fins at the back of his head. Let's bring Toothless to life. Color the eyes bright green with black pupils. Now color the tongue, a soft, light pink. Color his body jet black everywhere. Oopsie, we almost forgot its ear-like appendages on the back of his head that are actually part of his body and communicate his mood. Color his inner scales and wing membranes, smooth gray. Color the mechanical tail fin, flashy bright red. Now color his claws, pitch black for extra drama. Now use a gray marker for his tiny scales, grin and legs to give it a final shape. Drop in a few irregular black patches on the legs, scales and snout. Don't forget to add a little design on tail just like the real one. And, voila, your very own baby Toothless ready to fly off the page. If you love this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more dragon drawing adventures.